Grand Plaza, Marketing Manager here at Getac, and welcome to the Getac Innovation Day. This is a very special event that we're hosting alongside Computex to showcase the latest and greatest from Getac. Now join me as we talk to the team to get to know more about these exciting innovations for the rugged industry. So why don't you come join me and let's see what's in store. Everyone, I'm here with Jeff, one of our product managers. Jeff, why don't you talk to our audience what we're showcasing today for Innovation Day?
Okay, this is S510, it's an AI PC, and we are investing a new NVIDIA RTX discrete graphics, so that will enable additional AI boosts. That's up to 100 TOPS AI performance to the S510. So not only the Intel NPU, but also the NVIDIA inferencing capability has been increased on the S510.
How does this new enhancements with the S510 going to benefit some of the users who are using this?
Edge AI computing is going to influence the industries for the next 3 to 5 years. Additional types of the capability will help those applications run smooth and also offline, real times.
Hi, Tina. So great to see you. What do you have here? I'm seeing a fully rugged tablet. Can you tell us more what this product is all about?
This device is a ZX10 G2. That is the second generation of ZX10. The device is feature Qualcomm, which carry 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and AI with NPU. In G1, we only have one single speaker, but for G2, we have a dual speaker, which will provide the louder volume. We keep the same battery design as G1, that is a hot swappable battery design, and which will make the operation continuously. In addition to that, we provide multiple battery configuration in this generation. For example, if the user just use office stock and he can just use one single battery SKU, which can reduce costs as well as the battery maintenance. Some people do use this with a vehicle dock, but some users, they do some field operation, field service. And in this generation, we do some weight reduction. But even with this lightweight design, we didn't compromise on the ruggedness, on the durability. It still means the 6 feet thrust back and carry a IP60C rating.
Can you tell us more about what this certification is?
Actually, G2 also have the AER enterprise certificate, but we also have another certified, which is AR. That is Google AR Core certified. They can use the AR app on this device. And with the AR help, teams can be more productive for their work. For the feature enhancement for ZX10 G2, the display brightness was increased to 1000 nits, which was better visibility for outdoor use.
It is so nice to see you here today at the Getac Innovation Day. So we have here the ZX80. Can you talk a little bit more about this functionality?
AR combined GIS, it sounds strange to us. GIS is a geographic information system. So this system will display or analyze the geographical reference information. So you can see the Google Map not only just map, but also traffic, satellite, or terrain, something that related together. So this is a GIS. One of the very famous application is Pokemon Go. Yeah, that is exactly the perfect example for AR combined GIS. Pokemon use AR to enhance the game experience. Let's imagine that this a worker he's inspecting the pipeline underground, so he doesn't know where is it. So he used the AR and GIS system on the tablet to see the pipeline. The other example is a land measurement. Imagine there's a big land owned by two farmers. They want to build up a fence to mark the boundary. So they're using a tablet. So AR combined with GIS, so they can exactly see the boundary there. They can build a fence.
Can we talk about that? The control panel accuracy and how AR and AI help complement or help with this particular functionality or this application?
And for the worker, they operate the control panel. They're using the AI and the AR tool, so AR can guide them step by step, and AI can monitor. If AI found it's correct, then use the AR to guide the worker to do the next step. So that's how improve the accuracy.
Does it also contribute to worker safety and efficiency with regards to the workers? Is there also like a connection between this particular application to the
Safety is very important. So then the AI can guide them step by step to make sure the safety. They will not make mistake. You can imagine that the field workers, front-end field workers, they would like to have a support from senior technician, but the senior technician cannot go there. So AR already played an important role to help their communication in a video call to guide them how to do that. But right now, AI can play the role as a senior technician. Right now, less and less people will need it because front-end workers, they can work by themselves, create more productivity. And also senior worker, they can do the other more difficult things. They also increase the productivity.
Very interestingly, in this event, we are talking about AI. What are some of the key pain points of this industry and how Getac, for example, can help solve some of these challenges by people working in this industry?
Okay. As you can see in here, because what this in Nielsen where we are demonstrating lots of AI technologies with our Getac devices to showcase how we can help those utility workers. Because every day they are relying on Getac devices to do their tasks because they have to work under very extreme weather conditions, and also they have to work outdoor and to do those kind of inspections on a daily basis. So they need something very, very reliable and something can increase the efficiency for their daily work.
So can you talk more about specific AI solutions? How does this enhance their productivity and to a certain extent safety, right?
As you see, we have 3 different use cases down here. We have the gut readings and meter readings. They can use the camera to capture those figures on the meter. They quickly link to the backend systems. It will trigger some alerts if anything goes abnormal. And also they can use the camera to scan all the field workers if they are following the safety regulations. That safety is quite important for field workers. So they need something to guide them through the SOP process. So they can use the camera, they can use our tablet, scan those control panels, they can know whether they have done it right or wrong. So that's sort of to minimize the risk and human errors and make sure they do things right.
How do our devices like our tablets and body-worn camera work together to enhance the productivity and safety of these workers?
For example, for the gap readings, they can they can scan the meters, and you have the figure. They can just record the data into the backend system very quickly. And for the control panel, for health and safety regulations, if they scan someone who's not wearing the helmet, they can trigger the alert to the backend systems. It will have someone to come and just send an alert or some warning to that person to make sure that they are complying with the safety regulation. So they don't have to wait until some bad things happen and just come and fix that afterwards. They can do it immediately.
Are we looking to provide these kinds of solutions more to a lot more, whether small or big enterprise in the utility sector?
These solutions can be deployed to different customers who just have to understand about their critical challenges and how they need us to help them. Basically, this is just an example for us to showcase this technology, but we can tweak that to make sure that this will happen 100%. Also, if a different type of meters, or maybe they need us to scan not just the people wearing helmets, maybe just vehicles. Are they complying with all the safety regulations and everything? Or maybe just have a camera to scan the field works and to make sure that there's no mistakes. Or maybe there's a fire, they can detect fire and smoke as well. Sometimes we have to check up with our customers to make sure that they know what we can do and we deliver what they need. That's why we have to make sure that we have something for them.
Hey Al, nice to have you here at the Innovation Days. My first time talking, and I'm really excited because we have a new product here. Can you tell us more about what this new rugged laptop is all about?
This is the first and the fully rugged Copilot Plus PC, the B360 Plus. And compared to the previous generation, it brings a more stronger processor performance and the better battery life. And now include the Wi-Fi 7 connection for the faster wireless and the more stable wireless connection. And also, it comes with our proven rugged reliability. We have the three types of the model. One is the standard, the second one is the Pro, and the latest one is the Plus SKU. This Plus model is optimized for the AI application. It can run ideal for the AI application, smart inspection, drone control, and the edge AI tasks.
How does this impact the processor of this B360 covers?
Okay, the NPU can help the user to run the AI application like the noise cancellation, the image recognition with the low power use, which means it can help him to save the battery and keep running things smoothly. And the best thing of the NPU, it can run the things locally with the real time and without relying on the cloud service.
Are there any other industries that will benefit from using the B360 Plus?
The B360 series is dedicated to the military, public safety, and the utility that benefit the most. The 40 TOPS of the NPU can run the Edge AI smoothly. It's the best for the Edge AI. Yes.
So, can you let our viewers know what sort of applications related to Edge AI can they run using this device?
The B360 the Plus is the Copilot Plus PC.
Right.
They have some of the hardware requirements. One of them is the 40 TOPS above of the NPU. And the Copilot Plus is the feature we can run like the record, the co-creator, and the real-time the transcription to the device. And with this feature, the Plus SKU can support those tools by the 40 TOPS of the NPU. This is what we can do with our B360 Plus.
Stanley,
Hey.
so nice to see you in Getac Innovation Day.
Yeah.
So, can you let our viewers know what exactly do you work with in the GBS, in the video solutions?
I'm product manager for GBS products. So, in fact, in Taipei, we do in charge of the hardware development. So we include the body camera, in-car video, and we integrate with our server software in US. And we know how to integrate with others.
Yes.
Because we manufacture hardware, we know how to integrate with servers. So if customer, they need different server, we can integrate with layers. So that's our strength and benefit to our customers.
Can you talk more about which regions are we expanding towards and what sort of best practices are we bringing to these particular regions?
They're trying to sell in different regions such as Australia and even in Poland. So right now we are trying to move the technical support, software development back to Taiwan to integrate with different region company to support worldwide.
Can you talk more about what Getac Assist is and how it's being used in this part of the world?
Though I say video solution in US, but we focus on public safety. They focus on utility, or they focus on collaboration. People on site, they want to view the live streaming from the field worker to know what's going on there. We don't need to send people on site to help the field workers. Once we can do live stream, AI can be on the cloud. So everything is possible. So in the AI operation, it could be on the server side, you can add some like object recognition and like we show over there, we can circle what's going on there and help field workers. So that's the AI. And another AI, I would say, in our in-car video, we can do license plate recognition on the camera directly. So it's kind of an age requirement. You have to recognize the license plate in a real time. So it's different usage, like we can collaborate like a Getac. Because in that kind of a usage, you don't need a real-time recognition. So it will indicate that police officer, when they're driving the car, they will get notification, oh, that vehicle is stolen or something else. Yep.
How does AI integrate to CAD and RMS?
In fact, it's a kind of a, I would say, server-to-server integration. For example, when somebody call 911, they have a case number. We have to inject that case number to our server and link the body camera video and in-car video together. So this will help our police officer in the field. They can link two systems together, and they just need to write one report to supervisor to let them know.
What do you think is the future AI with Getac in terms of video solution?
In the future, we are trying to minimize police officer effort. So the AI for police officer, I would say, they will start from video to report. Because their daily job is to do the patrol or video reporting, but they do need to spend time on the report writing. So on the AI effort, I would say video to report is the most important thing for their daily operation.
I'm here with Alex, one of our customers from Australia. Alex, can you tell us more about the relationship that you've had with Getac? How has your working relationship with Getac been since then?
Yeah, look, pretty much any customer that requires a rugged solution, our go-to is Getac. Look, we've got them deployed in council vehicles, emergency services, forklift, warehouse solutions. Pretty much any client that requires a rugged solution, Getac's our go-to. Sport's phenomenal. Yeah.
So how do you find working with Getac, from the people, the solutions they provide to your customers? How has it been so far?
Oh, it's great. Look, Getac obviously works through some of our primary distributors in Australia. The distributor we work through is amazing. Getac themselves are great. In-country support is great. So we've had scenarios where a forklift driver has run over a tablet and it's repaired in-country within a week.
So nice to speak to you, Alex. And thank you for being a great customer for Getac.
Yeah, thank you. Great product.
Thank you.